Did you know that asparagus isn't just a side dish? It's a powerhouse of nutrition with some surprising benefits. Today, we're diving into 15 amazing health benefits of asparagus, 4 delicious ways to enjoy it, and even one fun fact you probably didn't know. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see asparagus in a whole new light. Here are 10 health benefits. 1. Rich in nutrients, packed with vitamins A, C, E, K, and folate. 2. High in antioxidants, helps fight free radicals and reduces inflammation. 3. Supports digestive health, high in fiber and natural prebiotics for a healthy gut. 4. Natural diuretic, helps reduce bloating and flush excess salt. 5. Supports heart health, potassium and folate keep your blood pressure and circulation in check. 6. Boosts immune system, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants to support immunity. 7. Promotes healthy skin, vitamin E and antioxidants help skin glow. 8. Bone health, vitamin K helps maintain strong, healthy bones. 9. Weight management, low calorie, nutrient dense, and filling. 10. May support brain health. Folate works with B12 from other foods to support brain function. Fun fact: asparagus was once considered an aphrodisiac in ancient cultures. In France, it was even served to grooms on the eve of their wedding. Here are 5 more health benefits of asparagus. 11. May help lower blood pressure, thanks to potassium, which relaxes blood vessel walls. 12. Supports pregnancy. Folate is critical for fetal development. 13. May improve mood. Folate helps regulate homocysteine, linked to depression when too high. Just a reminder, don't forget to subscribe. 14. Anti-aging properties. Antioxidants may slow cellular aging. 15. May help regulate blood sugar. Some studies suggest that asparagus improves insulin sensitivity. Now, here are 4 ways to eat asparagus. 1. Roasted. Toss in olive oil, garlic, and roast until tender. 2. Grilled. Adds a smoky flavor, perfect for summer BBQs. 3. Steamed. Keeps nutrients intact, simple and fast. 4. In soups or salads. Chop it up for added crunch or creamy soups. So let's recap. Asparagus truly does it all. It supports your heart with folate and potassium, strengthens your bones with vitamin K, improves digestion with fiber and prebiotics, even helps your skin glow thanks to vitamin E and antioxidants. On top of all that, it can help regulate blood pressure, support pregnancy, improve mood, and may even help manage blood sugar. The best part? It's delicious, versatile, and easy to prepare. Whether roasted, grilled, steamed, or added to soups and salads. So add asparagus to your weekly meals and start enjoying these powerful benefits today. Don't forget to subscribe. And as always, like and share this video with someone who loves healthy eating. See you in the next video.